Number 1. 1982 GMC C1500, price $4,550, with only 18,100 miles on the odometer. This truck remains in remarkable condition. It is powered by a robust 5.7L V8 engine, delivering both reliability and impressive performance. Paired with a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it offers effortless cruising and responsive handling. Its striking red exterior enhances its bold, timeless appeal, while the black interior provides a classic combination of comfort and style. This truck is not just a vehicle, it's a piece of automotive history, offering a perfect blend of power, design, and nostalgia. Number 2. 1992 Chevrolet 454 SS, price $3,500, with 85,000 miles. Powered by a 454 Ci V8 with a Whipple supercharger, it features a 4-speed automatic transmission, performance handling package, and Monroe suspension for enhanced control. The white exterior is complemented by polished 15-inch wheels and a black fiberglass tonneau cover, while the red cloth interior offers air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and a Delco cassette stereo. A sliding rear window adds convenience, and a clean Carfax report confirms its well-maintained condition. This muscle truck blends power, style, and practicality. Number 3. 1984 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000, with a professionally executed LS1 swap completed in Wyoming. It features a 5.3 LLS engine paired with a Phytec Ram air fuel injection system, ensuring excellent performance and reliability. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Its exterior and interior are both finished in brown, maintaining a cohesive and classic look. The entire suspension has been redone, resulting in a ride quality that surpasses even modern SUVs. Mechanically, it runs flawlessly, and all gauges function properly. The truck also comes with power windows for added convenience. The interior has been refreshed with new carpeting and a re-upholstered seat, enhancing comfort and aesthetics. The body is in excellent condition, with no signs of bondo, maintaining its original integrity. Additionally, it has a clean title and successfully passes Colorado emissions testing. Number 4. 1988 Ford F150, price $3,500. This truck is being sold as is, with no trades accepted. It is powered by a reliable 5.0L Windsor V8 engine, paired with a smooth-shifting 3-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. With approximately 170,000 miles on the odometer, this classic truck remains a solid choice for enthusiasts or those looking for a dependable work vehicle. The exterior is finished in a timeless beige color, while the interior features a comfortable gray cabin. It comes with a long bed, offering plenty of cargo space for hauling needs. Running on gasoline, this F-150 retains the durability and simplicity that older Ford trucks are known for. Please note that the heater is not functional, and the inner door handle on the driver's side does not work. Number 5. 1993 Chevrolet C1500, price $7,000. This single-cab, short-bed pickup runs smoothly with 176,000 miles on the odometer. It has recently received a fresh oil change and is equipped with brand-new Cooper Cobra tires on a pristine set of 454 SS wheels, enhancing both performance and style. Powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine, it delivers strong and consistent performance, making it ideal for daily driving or cruising. The truck also features a fully functional climate control system with cold air conditioning and hot heating, ensuring comfort in any season. With its durability, classic design, and smooth ride, this C1500 is a standout example of a well-preserved American truck. Number 6. 1977 Chevrolet C20, price $7,500, featuring an automatic transmission and a striking orange exterior with a matching orange interior. It runs and drives exceptionally well, currently serving as a dependable daily driver on the ranch, hauling wood and pulling trailers with ease. Powered by a strong and healthy 350 V8 engine, this truck is equipped with a turbo automatic transmission that shifts smoothly without slipping or slamming. Recent upgrades include a new carburetor, spark plugs, and wires, as well as a new alternator and battery, ensuring consistent performance. Additionally, the rotor and cap have been replaced, and new fuses and lights have been installed. The truck also comes with a few extra parts, adding further value to its already impressive condition. Number 7. 1989 Ford F150, price $5,550, with 90,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission, providing a more engaging driving experience, and is powered by a durable 6-cylinder gasoline engine known for its reliability. The truck stands out with its sleek black exterior, which is complemented by a bold red interior, giving it a striking and timeless look. This F-150 runs and drives well, making it a dependable choice for both daily driving and off-road adventures. It has been upgraded with a rough country lift kit, enhancing its ground clearance and off-road capability. The truck also sits on heavy-duty rims wrapped in massive 35x12.50 or 20 LT tires, adding to its aggressive stance and rugged appeal. Number 8. 1966 Ford F250, price $10,000, featuring a 352 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, which includes a low granny first gear. Finished in white, it retains its original rugged charm while offering strong and reliable performance. Although the speedometer is currently non-functional, the truck runs and drives exceptionally well, making it a dependable daily driver throughout the spring, summer, and fall months. It has always been stored indoors during the winter, which has helped maintain its remarkably clean condition. Originally hailing from Washington State, it has minimal rust, with the only significant area of corrosion found in the bed near the bulkhead, where the dual fuel tanks were once mounted. The truck has been well cared for, with recent maintenance including a new battery, a new distributor, and fresh oil, ensuring smooth operation. While the Wisconsin mud flaps seen in some images are not included in the sale, this F250 remains a solid and reliable example of a vintage workhorse, ready to be enjoyed on the road. Number 9. 1997 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,000, featuring a burgundy exterior and a red interior. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. While the truck itself has traveled 235,000 miles, the original engine has been replaced with a 5.7L Vortec motor that currently has only 100,000 miles on it, ensuring improved performance and longevity. In addition to the engine replacement, several essential components have been upgraded, including a new alternator, battery, idler and tensioner pulley, exhaust manifold, and a completely new exhaust system. The truck has also been fitted with a new leaf spring hanger, enhancing its stability and durability. This Chevrolet 3500 is not only a dependable vehicle but also comes with spare parts that will be included in the sale. Number 10. 1990 Dodge Dakota, price $5,000, with 120,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle features a sleek black exterior paired with a gray interior. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. This Dakota has been well maintained, recently receiving a full engine reseal and cleaning, ensuring there are no leaks of any kind. A brand new carburetor has been installed, enhancing its performance. Additionally, a remote start and alarm system provide extra convenience and security. The interior is clean and well preserved, with a newly installed Bluetooth radio that adds modern functionality to this classic truck.